Hi everyone, this is Rebecca, and this is my presentation on Unit 6. For my first word, I decided to use boisterous. I can be very noisy, I can be really loud sometimes. And the text I decided to use was impact, because impact's really bold and it's really big. And that's kind of what I think of when I think of loud or noisy. The second word I chose was generous. I think I can be very generous sometimes. The text I decided to use was Bradley Hand. I think it's really smooth and soft, and that's what I think of when I think of generous. For the third word, I decided to use sarcastic. I can be very, very sarcastic. I'm kind of always sarcastic. When I think sarcastic, I kind of think childish. And I used the chalk duster text because it kind of has like markings, like almost like a kid writing in crayon almost to me, or writing on a chalkboard. So I thought it kind of looked really childish. For my fourth word, I chose witty. I decided to use the Trentello, I hope I said that right, text. When I think witty, I think quick, short, and this text kind of made me think of that because it's kind of looks like it was written really quick and it's kind of pushed together. For my last word, I used beautiful. Um, the font I used for it was Zephino. I also hope I said that right. When I think of beautiful, I think of anything that's visually pleasing or sounds pleasing. I think cursive writing is very, very beautiful, so I chose a cursive text, and I think it's really, really pretty. That's my presentation. Thank you for watching.